Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to share your OneNote notebook. Whether you're collaborating with colleagues on a project or sharing notes with classmates, knowing how to properly share your notebooks is essential for smooth teamwork. Start by opening your Microsoft OneNote app and load into your notebook. Make sure you've selected the specific notebook you want to share, as this will be important for the next steps. Give it a moment to fully load so all your pages and sections are ready to go. Once your notebook has been loaded, it's time to begin the sharing process. Head to the File menu, which you'll find located on the top part of your screen where all your tools and menu options are. Click on it and an expanded menu will appear with various options for managing your notebook. From this menu, look for the Share option and click on it. This is the gateway to all sharing features in OneNote. At this point, you might be prompted to log into your Microsoft 365 account. This step ensures that your sharing settings are properly synced and that you have the necessary permissions to share the notebook. Enter your credentials and sign in if required. The system may take a moment to verify your account and load your sharing options. Now look at the bottom part of the sharing panel. You'll see two distinct options for sharing your notebook, each serving a different purpose depending on your needs. The first option allows you to attach your notebook to an email using the OneNote format. Click on this if you want recipients to be able to open and edit the notebook directly in their own OneNote app. This format preserves all the interactive features and formatting of your original notebook. The other way of sharing is by attaching it to an email as a PDF file. This option is perfect when you want to share a read-only version of your notebook or when you're sending it to someone who might not have OneNote installed. The PDF format ensures that your content looks exactly as you intended, regardless of what device or software the recipient is using. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to share your OneNote notebook using both methods, giving you flexibility based on your collaboration needs. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.